Do you know the difference between a solstice and an equinox? These are two phenomena that play a significant role in our changing seasons, and yet many of us may not fully understand how they work. Imagine the Earth as a spinning top, leaning slightly on its side. This tilt, about 23.5 degrees off vertical, is what gives us our seasons. But twice a year, something fascinating happens. The Earth isn't leaning towards or away from the sun at all. This is an equinox. The word equinox is derived from Latin, meaning equal night. On these days, daylight and darkness hours are nearly identical, each about 12 hours long. This balance of light and dark occurs because the sun appears directly overhead along the equator. Neither the northern nor the southern hemisphere is tilted towards or away from the sun. It's a moment of celestial equilibrium, a pause in the Earth's perpetual dance. On the other hand, solstices are a completely different story. These occur when the Earth's poles are at their farthest or nearest points from the sun. Picture the North Pole leaning away from the sun in late December. This angle results in the Northern Hemisphere experiencing the longest night of the year, with the sun directly above the Tropic of Capricorn, the southernmost circle of latitude. But remember, half a year later, the tables turn. In late June, the North Pole tilts towards the sun, placing the sun directly above the Tropic of Cancer, the northernmost circle of latitude. This tilt results in the Northern Hemisphere basking in more daylight hours than any other time of the year, while the Southern Hemisphere endures its longest night. So, in essence, equinoxes and solstices are like two sides of a coin. Equinoxes, occurring in March and September, represent balance, with equal hours of day and night. Solstices, on the other hand, occurring in June and December, represent extremes, with the longest day or the longest night of the year. In essence, these celestial events are like the rhythm section of Earth's symphony, marking time and setting the pace for our planet's seasonal cycle. So next time you notice the changing seasons, spare a thought for the extraordinary cosmic ballet that makes it all possible.